Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the indefinite integral of x cubed times e to the x squared. First, let's notice that we can rewrite this integral as 1/2 times the indefinite integral of x squared times e to the x squared times 2x dx. Then let's make the following u substitution. Let u be equal to x squared, so that du is just 2x dx, since the derivative of x squared is 2x. Then we can write that 2 times our integral is equal to the indefinite integral of u times e to the u du. Then we're going to use integration by parts. First, let s be equal to u and dt be equal to e to the u du. So that ds is just du and t is e to the u, since the integral of e to the u du is just e to the u. Then integration by parts tells us that 2 times our integral, which we can write as the indefinite integral of s dt, is equal to s times t minus the indefinite integral of t ds, which is equal to u times e to the u minus the indefinite integral of e to the u du. And this here is equal to u times e to the u minus e to the u plus some integration constant, let's call it c prime. And then let c be equal to c prime over 2. And then let's go back to our original variable x to get that our integral I is equal to 1/2 times u was x squared, so it's x squared times e to the x squared minus e to the x squared plus c, since we said that c is equal to c prime over 2, and this here is our final result.